in this question, we need to get a sketch. I need to get a sketch, and here is my sketch of this equation. So I assume now this is the curve for y equals to negative x squared plus 7x, which I'm required to estimate the area. And then I'm being told it should be from x equals to 1 to x equals to, let me see, because I think I need it to be a bit, from x equals to 1 to, I think x equals to 6. That will mean this is 0, 1, possibly 2, 3, 4, I have 5, say something like 6. So between x equals to 1 and x equals to 6, so this area is what I'm required to get. So I can subdivide it this way. So I've been told it should have 6 ordinates. Let me see whether it has 6 ordinates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. The ordinates are 6. And how many strips do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 strips, 6 ordinates. So I can begin with, this is my y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, and the y5. So according to the trapezium rule, the area should be given by half h, where h is the width of each of these whatever. So h is simply 1, 1, 1, 1, into the first plus the last, which is y0 plus y5, right? Plus 2 times these other 3. So y1, y2, y3 plus y4, right? So if I can calculate these y's, I can simply get the formula. I can simply get the area easily. So let me get y1. How do I get y1? I simply take the equation. My equation is y equals to negative x squared plus 7x. So what is my x in this y0? The first one is, my x is 1. Sure? So you just bring here negative 1 squared plus 7 into 1. So this one becomes negative 1 plus 7. And my first y is 6. So this y0 is 6. The second one is y1. So y1, I'll just need to, the formula is negative x squared plus 7x. So this is negative, what is my y, what is my x? 2. So I have 2 squared plus 7 into 2. So this one will be negative 2 squared is 4 plus 14. So negative 4 plus 14 is 10. Negative 4 plus 14 is 10, right? So I have this one will be 10. Thank you. Now the third one, simple. Just take the formula is y equals to negative x squared plus 7x. So what is my negative, what is my x here? 3. So it's 3 squared plus 7 into 3. So this one 3 squared will be negative 9 plus 21. Okay, this one gives me what? Y is it 12? 21 minus 9. Yeah, should be 12. So this one is 12. Now I continue that way. I have my, this was my y2. Oh yes, y2. So let me get y3. Y3 will be negative x squared plus 7x. And now here in y3, my x is 4. So I have negative 4 squared plus 7 into 4. So this one will be negative 16 plus, is it 28? Sure, 28. So this one gives me 12. Good. So this is, it's again 12. I hope I'm right. This is 16. This is 28. 12 is correct. So y4. Y4 is here. What is my x? This is negative x squared plus what? Plus 7 into x. So this one will be negative 5 squared plus 7 into 5. So this will be negative 25 plus 35. And this gives me 10. Right. So this is 10. And then finally, my last whatever is y5. So it should be what? Y5 should be negative, and x for this one is 6. So it should be negative 6 squared plus 7 into 6. So this will be negative 36 plus 42. And this gives me 6, right? So this is 6. So after I've gotten those ordinates, I know now my h is 1. The width of this trapezia is 1, 1, 1, 1. So I can simply apply my formula. And here is my formula. Okay, this space becomes smaller. So I can do it here. So my area shall be half h. My width h is 1. So it's half times 1. Then into the first ordinate. The first one is 6 plus, the last one is 6, sure, 6 plus 6, then plus 2 into 10 plus 12 plus 10 plus 12 plus 12 plus 10. Yeah. So this is 0.5 into, this is 12, plus 2 into, this is 24 plus 20, 44, right? 0.5 into, this is 88 plus 12 is 100, right? So 100 times 0.5, this gives us 50. Therefore, area is approximately 50 square units. 50 square units. I believe the first one and the last one, the first one and the last one, plus 2 into these two, the middle ones, right? This is the first one, last one, 2 times whatever we have in the middle, and then we have our answer. So the area is 50 square units, right? So you were not being given the ordinates, but you have used the formula of the curve to be able to calculate each and every ordinate. There you are. Thank you.